Hello everyone and welcome to Taste First. My name is Parmita and today I'm going to show you how to make Schezwan cheese pasta. Here I'll be using penne pasta, but you can choose any kind of pasta of your choice. Now let's see how to make it. Here I am using Schezwan sauce because it is easily available in the market. Now I will add grated cheese. I have used Amul processed cheese here, but you can use mozzarella cheese as well. Don't cook too much after adding cheese, just mix it well. And now it's ready to eat. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, comment and share, and also please do subscribe to my channel. I will meet you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.